A carbide burr tool is commonly used in foundry casting cleanup because it efficiently removes casting flash, excess metal, and surface imperfections that remain on components after the casting process. When metal parts are produced through casting, molten metal is poured into molds where it cools and solidifies into the desired shape. However, this process often leaves behind unwanted material such as thin fins of metal known as flash, as well as rough edges, gate remnants, and minor surface defects caused by mold seams or imperfections in the casting cavity. A carbide burr tool mounted on a die grinder allows operators to quickly and accurately remove these excess materials while maintaining control over the final shape of the component. Its sharp cutting edges are capable of handling tough cast materials such as iron, steel, aluminum, and bronze, making it a reliable tool for heavy-duty cleanup work. In foundry environments, a carbide burr tool is especially useful for refining the surface of cast parts that require further machining or finishing. After the initial casting cleanup, components often need to meet tighter dimensional tolerances or aesthetic requirements before they can be used in final assemblies. The carbide burr tool helps smooth rough transitions, eliminate raised imperfections, and blend areas where excess metal has been removed, ensuring that the part is properly prepared for secondary processes such as machining, grinding, painting, or coating. This is particularly important in industries like automotive manufacturing, heavy equipment production, aerospace casting, and industrial machinery, where cast components must meet strict performance and safety standards. A carbide burr tool also provides significant advantages when working with complex cast shapes that contain internal cavities, curves, and hard-to-reach areas. Casting processes often produce intricate geometries that cannot be easily cleaned with flat grinding tools or abrasive wheels.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.